National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, south central Hardin County in southeastern Texas, until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hampshire, moving north at 75 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Beaumont, Nome, and China around 10:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Sour Lake and Bevel Oaks around 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 10 in Texas between mile markers 839 and 832. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.